Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be installing BimLand's Performance LED fog lights. Now, I've needed new fog lights for so long. My fog lights are not very bright, and BimLand Performance was kind enough to send me out these fog lights with the LED interior kit. They come with noise cancellation, they come with LED wire cancellation, so if you get any signals on your dash in your car that your LEDs might be out. I don't think the BMW e46 needs these, but I'm going to be, I might install them anyways just to see what they do. I will also be installing LED side markers. You cannot see them, but LED side markers. I have two bulbs that was also sent to me, so we'll check those out. But before we begin, my fog lights are so badly oxidized. I'm going to be trying out headlight renewer kit from Mother's. I'm going to just test it out, see if it can fix some of the oxidation on my fog lights. Now, some of you guys might be asking me, why don't you just go out and buy new fog lights? Well, I plan on getting a new bumper soon. I think I want to go with the ZHP bumper, and I'm not going to waste money on new fog lights when I know I'm going to get them, but I'd like to install these now just so I have brighter fog lights. So I just picked this up at the store. I think it was like $15, and I'm just going to try it out, see what it does to my headlights. So we're going to start with this. I'll just do a time lapse real quick. I'm not going to show you guys a whole in-depth guide of how to use this stuff. Unless you guys want to see that. If you guys do, I can make another video doing it on my headlights. But without any further ado, let's get into the time lapse. So before I actually show you guys how to take out, how to polish and do a quick time lapse of me polishing the fog lights, I realized there's really not enough room in there to do the fog lights. So I'm going to show you how to actually take the fog lights out, and then I'll pause in the middle, do a time lapse real quick of me polishing them, and then we'll install the new ones. So to change the fog lights, it's really, really easy. All you're going to need is a screwdriver, maybe a plastic pry tool, and just your hands. So really, this piece just comes right out. So if you just pull it right out, you squeeze right here at the end, there's like these tabs. So if you just squeeze, this piece will come right out. Now the fog lights are held in with two bolts, one right here and one right here. Mine is actually broken over here, so I do not have two bolts, but it's just a Phillips head screw. Just screw it in, unscrew it, and then the whole thing should come out. But you got to release these tabs first, and if you just pull on them, they come right out, and your fog light should come out just like that. And then there's one connection tab right here. Let me show you. Let me get the camera in closer so I can show you guys. So here's a closer look of the actual piece. So having a plastic pry tool might be easy if you push down that tab. Just push down the back of the tab, and then the connector should pull right out. Now I'm going to do a quick time lapse of me cleaning this up. It's the same for the other side, it's the exact identical process. So I'm just gonna do a time lapse of me cleaning this whole fog light up, and then we'll put in the new LED headlights, and I'll do a comparison of what the old one looks versus the new one, so you guys can see how much brighter and how much better these are going to look in your BMW. Alright guys, so that is finished. Now, it may not be perfect, it's definitely not perfect, but it definitely took a lot of the oxidation off, made it nice and smooth, and I know I didn't do the best of job. This is my first time attempting something like this on my own, so I'm not too sure how it all works, but I think it came out pretty damn good, better than what it was, and I said it's just a temporary fix. So let me show you guys this one compared to the old one. So that is the old one right there. Let me move you guys up so you can see a little better. So that is the old one, the one that I didn't do yet, and this is the one that I did do. So if you see them right next to each other, you can clearly tell that this one is a lot clearer. I mean, it might not be so clear to you guys on the camera, but this one just has so much There's scratches in it and pitting, but I can't really help some of that. But I think there's a little mark right there that I couldn't get out. It might be inside, but these just look so much better. And hopefully when I put the new fog lights in that I'm gonna show you guys how to install right now, that you can clearly see the difference when I'm driving at night. So let me show you guys how to install the new fog lights. So installing the new fog lights is super easy. So you're gonna take your old fog light, you're gonna unscrew it, wiggle it, and it comes right out. Here's your old halogen bulb. You're now gonna take your new BimLand Performance one, and these things are crazy bright. I've already seen them on a couple people's cars. And you're gonna line up the tabs. They only go in one way. Line up the tabs and spin it shut, just like that. So line up the tabs, goes in, spin it shut, just like that. You're gonna take your old connector that's coming out of the car and slide it right on, and just push in and push that tab in. Before you set it back in, you're gonna wanna put on this trim piece if you did in fact take it off. If not, like most people probably did not take it off. It does go in like that. This thing only fits in one way. Push in and it snaps right in. That's only if you took this off. Most of you guys are probably just replacing fog lights and did not snap to take this off. Then all you do is push in, and it kind of self-aligns itself. Just make sure that rubber piece is sitting back there. That's some sort of ventilation. And then once it's in, snap back these two pieces. And bam, your new fog light is in. So let's go test it out right now. As you can probably see, it's on. So let me take you guys off the tripod and let's get a look back of what it actually looks like between the two. I know the old one's dirty and not clean, but this will give you just a little comparison of what they do look like. And that's what they look like. I think they look so much better white. I think they're gonna look brighter at night. I know people say that the yellow ones are supposedly better for seeing at night, but I'm after more of an aesthetic look and just how bright I can get some LEDs, and especially with the way LEDs have come, they become insanely bright. So they're competing with them, and I think they look so much better. Let's get a close up. That's what the old ones look like. You can kind of see they're oxidized. And that's what the new ones look like. They look so cool. So now I'm gonna go do the other side, and then I'll show you guys how to install the LED side markers, and I'll do some night shots showing what these new lights look like at night. Hey guys, just want to show you what the fog lights look like at night. They're super bright. I love the way they look. It's really hard for you guys to pick up what they actually look like. I'm still experimenting with the night mode on this camera, so I'm still just playing around, figuring out how it all works. But that is what they look like at night. Let me see if I can put them on without the actual lights on, but you can see they look awesome. Let me step back real quick. You can see them putting out their light out front, and they just look, you can see the line between the xenon and the actual fog light, and they just look awesome. All you need is a plastic pry tool and your new LED. So all you're gonna do is take your plastic pry tool, come in it from behind, so facing towards the door, and then twist it 90 degrees, and then twist this again. This comes out. Your old halogen bulbs right there, we'll place it down, and we will put in the new bulb, like so. And let me just grab my key so we can test to make sure that it actually works. So you saw that light, and so when you unlock the car, it lights up. When you lock the car, it lights up too. So there we go. So we now know that that is working and the polarity is correct. So all we're going to do is put this on, screw it in just 90 degrees again, and then put it in like so. Flip it, push in, it locks down, and there you go. So now that that LED is installed, I'm not going to show you the other side. I just leave it to one side. It's pretty simple. I just wanted to give you guys a little install guide of installing LED fog lights and LED side markers that BimLand Performance did send out. BimLand Performance also sent me out, they're sending me out a couple more things. They're sending me out LED fog light, LED license plate lights. They're sending me out window compound. They're also sending me out their V2 of the LED, the pure white LED interior kit. So a lot of you guys said that it didn't look so, it wasn't really that pure white, and I agree. It kind of looked purple, and I contacted them, and they said, you know what, we're going to remake a kit, and we'll send it out to you, for you to check out. So I do suggest you guys subscribe if you guys are looking forward to stuff like that. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.